In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable pop in Gmail 5 minutes. If you've ever connected your Gmail to an older mail app and noticed duplicate downloads or messages not staying in sync, pop is usually the reason. POP, or Post Office Protocol, downloads copies of your emails to a device and doesn't keep everything aligned across your other devices. Disabling it helps prevent confusion and keeps your inbox behavior consistent, especially if you're using IMAP or the Gmail app. Start by opening a web browser and going to mail.google.com. Once you're in your inbox, look to the top right and click the gear icon to open Settings. This opens the Quick Settings panel, which shows a handful of commonly used options. For what we need today, there's a link near the top that says See All Settings. Click that to open the full settings page. Along the top of the full settings page, you'll see a row of tabs. Click the one labelled Forwarding and Pop IMAP. This is where Gmail controls how your messages are delivered to other mail clients. It's a good place to be familiar with if you ever connect Gmail to desktop apps or other services. On this page, find the section called Pop Download. You may see that Pop is enabled for all mail or for mail that arrives from now on. Those settings tell outside apps to keep pulling your messages down. To turn it off completely, choose Disable Pop. This ensures Gmail stops exposing your mailbox over the POP protocol, which helps avoid duplicates and unexpected behavior in older mail programs. After selecting Disable POP, don't forget to save. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This step applies your new setting. Without saving, Gmail will keep your previous configuration, so it's important to confirm the change here. Once saved, Pop access is turned off for your account. Any device or app that was using Pop will no longer be able to download your messages. Your Gmail on the web, the Gmail mobile app, and any mail client using IMAP will continue to work as usual. If an older app starts showing connection errors, that's expected with Pop disabled. You can either remove that old account from the app or switch the app to use IMAP instead. That's it. You went to Gmail, opened Settings, viewed all settings, navigated to Forwarding and Pop IMAP, found the Pop download section, disabled Pop, and saved your changes. Thanks for watching, and keep your inbox running the way you want.